it's Katie and I got my girls and we are back for the LSF Summer Shape Up Series. You guys, this is the biggest challenge we have ever done with Love Sweat Fitness. It is going to be 8 weeks of incredible daily workouts. We're gonna have tons of motivation from Team LSF and the most amazing prizes you could ever imagine. I'm talking a trip to Mexico for you and your bestie, all expenses paid, so you can sip rosé poolside and enjoy the sunshine. Girls, we want to do this with you. As always, it is absolutely free, so sign up today, get signed up for the challenge. You're gonna get your starter kit to get going. We're doing this together to motivate and support each other every step of the way. We cannot wait to get started with you on Monday, July 9th, so invite your girlfriends to join, get signed up, and let's do this thing.